Hey guys, welcome to Parts of Verses, a peaceful space in everyday life where you can explore, discover, and unwind. Well, today we are going to talk about the bucket list travel tips. A bucket list is a list of things you want to do before you die. Well, people usually list down so that you are able to get motivated and pursue your dreams. Well, here are some tips when creating a travel bucket list. First of all, get the information from your friends, from the world maps, from social media, and from all other sources you can about your dream destinations. Secondly, create a budget for where you want to go at the moment, where you want to go in the next 5 years or so. Then, thirdly, look for off-peak hours, look for off-peak periods so that you get a good rate, and also maybe you can look for discounted rates. Then fourthly, if where you want to go is beyond your reach, you can just look for alternative places which are equally good. Well, I wish you the best in making your bucket list. For more details, check out my website, patsowasis.com. Till next time.